What's up everyone, welcome to Profit Data for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to add drop down list in our smart mobile Android application. Okay, smart means stock market analysis retention trades. Okay, so as you know, I'm creating a mobile application. Okay, in that I've already done 4 videos, especially like 2 basic videos giving with the code, and third and fourth I mostly that is interconnected. Especially at first it was from the API I have given the calculation as a hedge option selling, how you can utilize the margin calculation. That comes with the Fires API and it is not available in GitHub or module. Okay, so you need to follow the API. So this video I've been done with the basic conversion, and then I've been utilized the GUI, Kiwi GUI for this app. Okay, so you need to check it out. And so today what special it is that, say suppose if I'm looking for some symbol, and that symbol I'm going to put in my API, especially for the last price or for order placement or for anything. Trading symbol is important. Now what happens is, suppose I got the trading symbol based on strike price, or say say something I got. I am especially in my sorting algorithm or say search algorithm, I require some of the stuff. Okay, so I need to give the options. Suppose some of the stocks options are there, some of the index options are there. So here I'm going to give the index option. Okay, so basic I want a trading symbol, especially from that trading symbol. Say suppose if I selected the strike price, so that should be get selected. If I am looking for another kind of search from the last price, okay, so that need should be done. Okay, so if I'm going through this one, now what happens, say suppose I have to create this thing. Okay, I have to go through a various part of a GUI. Okay, so it will be say simple smooth should be there. Say in the last video of mine, what I've been done in margin calculator, I've been only utilize the text input. Okay, so but in case of say suppose I already know some of the customized applications if I want to build. Okay, so what needs to be done according to my requirements, it should be things should be available. Okay, so if I required add list should be available, so only I am going with expiry trading, so index option symbol should be available. And the next you should ask for what type of expiry. I can put the calendar, or otherwise I can say just a text input. I can put a radio button, so that's I'm going for this stuff. Okay, so I will do it more videos on this stuff. As of right now I'm going with the drop down list. Okay, so let's go with it. So first of all, from kiwi dot app import app. Okay, the next from kiwi dot uyx dot box layout. Okay, so 3 modules specially required. Okay, box layout, and the next will be our label and our spinner for the drop down list. Okay, box layout is very much important, label, and then spinner for the drop down list. Now what happens here, I will give as a label. Okay, and in the third I will give as a spinner. So rest of the things like importing will be same. Okay, so I will give this code in my website so you can check it out. Okay, but as of right now follow the video. Okay, so next what happens, I need to define the class which will be margin calculator app. Okay, and in this what happens, I have to first define, I need to build, which will be self is the main thing. Self is like fuel. For everything, it remains the same. So first of all, self dot layout, okay, which will be our box layout, and orientation will be, vertical, plus vertical. And the next thing will be our label. So self dot layout dot add underscore widget. Okay, so I'm calling the widget here, in which I will call the import label and give a text. So label text will be what? It is sts dot m dot a dot r dot t smart. Okay, and the next thing is the drop down list, which is self dot symbol underscore spinner, in which I will call the spinner module, and first I have to refer the text, which will be like select index symbol. You can give as per your requirement. Okay, so here I believe the text is done. Then comes with the values in which I have to give whatever the symbols I need to select. So it comes with the mid cap nifty, then it comes with the min nifty, then it comes with the bank nifty, then nifty at the end of NSE, then bank X, and then Sensex. Okay, that's it, done. So this is the syntax you need to follow. So here we are done, and I have to give a size underscore hint. Each in this I have to give 1 comma none. Okay, and height I can give whatever I want. Let's give it 44. Close it. Okay, and check once that everything is perfect. So I've started with this, and I believe I have not mistaken anything. Spinner label, okay, so here we are done, and then I need to add the layout as well for this stuff. Self dot layout dot add underscore widget. In widget I have to give a self dot symbol underscore spinner. Okay, that's it. So I believe everything is good, and then finally I have to return, which will be return self dot layout. Okay, so the next thing is whatever the class app defined, I have to say dot run. Okay, just give it and say dot run parenthesis. Okay, so let's run this stuff. So if we don't have any error, it will definitely gonna give the results. So it is telling me, okay, so I'm missing the comma here. Here also. So superb. Okay, so as of right now I'm gonna add each and everything. So as you can see, I just given a dashboard. In that, what happens, the title is smart, and if I have to give the select symbol, I need to select, so it will be like mid cap, nifty, nifty, whatever I want. If I just select, it will get selected and it will retain in this area. Now whenever I call, I will put with the expiry, with strike price, with CEP. Okay, so I can define, I can get that symbol, I can get last price, I can get margin, I can utilize for trade purpose. So it is one of the best. Do check it out. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And for in the next video, I'm gonna cover for other stuff, like especially for the trading symbol. Okay, so in upcoming video series, we'll try to involve as much as possible. Okay, if you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.